So to use the IDC crimp gun, you have to pull the white cover off of the IDC. If you pull the front piece here out, it'll just pull right off. There's an arrow on the top of the die that shows the direction that the IDC is going to go through the gun. So you push it in until you hear that first click. Grab your wires, put it in through the top slot here, and pull the trigger. And grab your next wire, go into that same slot, then your next wire. So this is what a bad crimp would look like. You can see that the wires didn't get pressed all the way into the razor wire inside of the connector here. So I'll show you how to fix that. So if you pull this clip out and take the head out, sometimes this will loosen up and make the piece that presses the wire into the IDC not go deep enough into the IDC. So if you loosen this side up or spin it counterclockwise, it'll make the plastic piece in here press the wire into the IDC a little bit further. So then, if we re-crimp this, now you can see that the wire is fully inside of that IDC connector.